This is the biggest convention in the world for online video, and I'm going to show you around. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I can see. This is held every year in the Anaheim Convention Center in Anaheim, California, most well known as the home to Disneyland. And it's a really interesting convention because there's like three distinct audiences here. There is the online video industry, like YouTube, Instagram, TickTock, corporate types that are here. There are creators that are here, like myself, and then there's also people here that just enjoy YouTube or online video or TikTok. And so the things you'll see here in the exhibit hall are definitely things set up for people in all three groups. So right here, this is like the VidCon backyard where you can see all these famous YouTubers on their little things and you can play different games. There's some VidCon trash cans and flamingos. It's kind of like really a little bit funky over here. But in the exhibitors, there's a lot more things that like TickTok. We'll see them a little later, or at least we'll see their video editor. YouTube, they've got some booths outside. And then there's also a number of different talks in the community track, which is this area where you get access to the exhibit hall, and there's like three different price points you can pay. The cheapest is the community track, which gets you into this exhibit hall. The creator track gets you in upstairs to hear some sessions focused on creators, about video editing, audio editing, that sort of stuff. And then the industry track, the tickets are, I don't know, I think upwards of $1,000 to get in there, really for the corporate social media types. But, you know, things that are certainly super popular in the world of online video are games and gaming. There's zany zip lines right here. There's like a big area where you can play it, and then you can watch people compete right up there. Bobbleheads, always popular here, collectible bobbleheads. We've got some DNA hair tools because we know beauty influencing is a big part of online video too. And so the exhibitors, there's also some like actual YouTubers here that are selling their merchandise, and there's a whole section for autographs as well. So it's really quite a huge convention. Here you can take a selfie in this big bowl of Fruit Loops. That looks like fun. We've got the ASPCA to find out if the universe might help you discover a kitten, and then there's this booth here that's gonna help promote your products. Hi there! So, tell me what you guys got here.
Oh, so we are Loki. I'm actually a user of Loki. So what it basically does, it is a web tool like website that like literally eliminates talking to brands, signing contracts, all that stuff for branded content and branded products. And so what I do is I pick any product that I want to promote and literally like get commission off to it, like up to 50% commission, which is insane compared to like other people with affiliates and stuff like that.
Yeah, and what was the name again?
Logi.
Logi.
So if you want, there's a business card, and also we're doing a competition. So if you take a photo and use the hashtag Logi or Fancy Cash, you can win up to $1,000.
Great. Yeah. I'll be back for the photo, just like that. All right. Thank you very much. So we'll see a lot of the booths here are just like that are to help creators try to work with brands or get monetized. Others, like One Legacy, are to help save lives for organ tissue donations. And so pretty much everybody in the booths here, they're ready to be on camera. I usually don't shove my camera right in people's faces, but they expect that at VidCon. Here we've got some fluffy stuffies, and these are what the Bucket Squad. You can get some custom Bucket Squad basketball. We've got Nintendo that's back over this way. They've got their Nintendo Switch, and Mario was out here. You can take a picture with Mario. They've got a really neat actual Mario Kart that you can like sit inside and take a selfie with. More stuffed animals. Plushies are really popular at this event because, well, I think a big group of attendees here are definitely preteen and teen girls, so a lot of the things definitely cater to them on this exhibit floor. When I walk around here, I feel very old. Our daughter, she'd like these. These are like some 3D printed dragons. That's kind of cool. And right behind them, there's a really big octopus tentacles, I think. Yeah. we've got the crew district on this side. And then over here on the right, we've got Hugs, your weighted friend to play with puppies. It soothes, it calms, and it comforts. Wow, that sounds nice. And apparently, you can even get some of these plushies that are, you can charge your phone with it. You can use it as a hydration station or a beanbag rest area. Kuro Heim item shop. This looks like Dungeons and Dragons type paraphernalia. We've got like some big dice that are over here made out of steel D20s. Here we've got a couple of influencers, Mackenzie Brooke, or I should say one. We've got an artist that's doing caricatures and pretty much anything that there's free here. This is free characters. There is a long line for it. People are definitely willing to stand in long lines here at VidCon. And definitely what you see also are a lot of people with cameras and lights, big cameras that give me camera envy. Back here, we've got the Paramount Lodge. We'll see a number of booths like this that are large corporations that kind of set up their own little land where you'd go in there, maybe see some experiences of different movies they've got coming up or some of their streaming television shows, but you've got to wait in line to get in all those. There's also a big mini golf course here. I don't know who comes to VidCon to play mini golf, but apparently some do, and I'm cool with it because it's in yellow. We've got a couple of people here with Pizza Hut, like a Pizza Hut Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles promotion is what it looks like with the TMNT there on the floor. Candy. You know, you can never have enough candy. And so we've got the Gushers Beanbag Lounge area. Right behind it, fruit roll-ups where you can do some drawing on tables and on wall. If you've ever just wanted to draw anywhere, you can draw it right there. And then we've got some, what is it? More candy? What's the more candy back here on this side? Fruit by the foot. You know, that's the best way I like my fruit. I like my fruit by the foot, not by the inch. Definitely by the foot. Okay. This booth is for Mogul munchies, and here is the octopus tentacles was for DreamWorks Teenage Kraken, Ruby Gilman. All right. We've got My Shop with 2 Ys. You can win a free limo ride to downtown Los Angeles. Click, share, earn. No doubt another booth that's trying to get influencers to, shop with them. Now, I walked through here before, and I don't get Becks. This says it's non-flammable electronic contact cleaner, and I have to believe that there's some meme or some joke that goes along with this, but I'm not entirely sure. If anybody knows what the inside track on Becks Intercorporation BW100 is, please let me know. I'm probably not cool enough to be on the in. We've got Let's Trip merch booth. And then we got the official VidCon merch booth where you can get like a VidCon shirt or any VidCon beanies. I have stopped buying them over the years because my closet just fills up with a bunch of VidCon t-shirts, and if you watch this channel at all, you'll know that I only ever wear yellow. That's right. Okay, we've got another online shop, Canal, to help you create your own store. There are a lot of online shops here. We saw Matt Pat earlier before, so this is his little shop right here for Creator Inc. Common Sense. And I said we'd see TickTock. What I really meant is we'd see their video editor by ByteDance called Capcut. Actually, they have a neat kind of like 360-degree video thing where you put your phone in this little thing and it spins around 3 or 4 times. If you want to see what that looks like, you can check out my Instagram. Some happy people that are here. You see it spins around, and then you get some really interesting kind of 360-degree video. This is like original Squish Malos, and I don't know, she looks like she's gonna jump off that. What's going on here? Oh, it's like a oh, this is cool. It's like a jumping booth full of stuffed animals. So you can go in there, put a helmet on, jump off the top and into the gigantic pit of stuffed animals. Shall we wait and watch her? Oh, there we go. All right. I'll need to wait in line and do that later. There's more gaming from the Paramount Gaming Lounge. We saw the Paramount Lodge earlier, and so that's just for their video gaming section. Back over this way. Oh, and by the way, for Capcut, their deal is like, if you do the video and then you post it on Instagram, you know, you can get like a little plushie or lens as kind of like a giveaway sort of thing. So if you see my Instagram post some interesting hashtags, it's because I wanted to get one of those stuffed animals. Create animations from any video, says Deep Motion. The face emoji keyboard back here, which is some emoji keyboard. This is interesting. This is the Korea Creator Media, which is part of the, I think, government of Korea, where they are here to promote Korean creators. They've got Korean instant noodle, which I guess you could, there's a fire noodle challenge. What is it? It is to finish one noodle. The fastest wins a Korean prize. Return to booth at 12 p.m. for results. So, all right, there we go. I think I was photobombing some video back there. So if on the Korea channel you see a dude in a yellow shirt walking behind it, that was me. Here we've got some merch from the Dream Team. You can spin this and get a wristband or a surprise. And what YouTube is really pushing here this year is YouTube shopping. If you haven't seen it yet, YouTube has rolled out some new shopping features where you can actually like buy things directly from YouTube. And so they've got some limited edition merch here from various brands, or I should say creators maybe in this case. And the line when I walked by said it was like 60 minutes from the point of the sign. So I did indeed pass with that. But if we look in what the little YouTube merch thing looks like this. And I think if you get in this line, they give you some like experience shopping dollars that then you can go in and like basically buy stuff for free. So you like experience what it is to buy stuff on YouTube shopping. They've definitely spent a lot of money on that experience. I mentioned candy's popular, so here's Sweetfield Plaza. This is a whole bunch of like candy brands that are back in here. And we've got another little lounge. And then here, there's a hot star agent, a professional and thoughtful team serving hundreds of people in all directions. Hot Bug Agency. I guess they're looking for TikTokers is what it looks like. So if you're looking for an agent for your TikTok videos, now you know who to call. This section here in the corner tends to be more for the creators, fan hero, create your video content and start monetizing like a boss. There we go. That's what I want. I want to start monetizing like a boss. Tell people what to do like that kind of a boss. Makeshift. Turn your passion into products. Oh, so I guess this is a place that makes custom plushies. So if I ever wanted to make a custom Topher doll, like I guess I could talk to these people. But I think like the minimum order is 5,000. So the question is, are there 5,000 people that want Yellow Productions pandas? You know, if so let me know. Maybe I'll go talk to them. I can't figure out what this place does. One Creative Universe. They got a bunch of computers with like video editing software on it. Dude standing here recording somebody with an iPad. I don't know. Here we have Ping Ping, social artist, gymnast. That's just, you know, a booth of an independent creator. And over this way, we've got Black Magic Design. They make a lot of really fancy video gear. They also make DaVinci Resolve, a really popular video editing software, popular. A lot of YouTubers are moving to DaVinci Resolve because they're fed up with Premiere or Final Cut, and so here you can come and try out DaVinci Resolve and also check out some of the cameras and like equipment that they've got to do live streaming. I mean, this is definitely, you know, if I were to get like one of these setups, this would probably take my thing to the next level. You know, this is funny. I think they've got this set up, the sofa. I don't know if she knows that she's on camera, or if she does know, then she might actually be a model at the North American Broadcasters Convention, where like all the big camera manufacturers go. They actually have things set up where like they hire actors and actresses just to sit in like sets, so that then you can use the cameras and be like, oh, how do these people look in this lighting or in this sort of set? And now as we walk over here, this is the final part of the community track or the expo hall, where there are more of these like session areas. You'll notice they're not really in rooms. There's one here, and there's also one over here, and there were two more on the other side. So all of the like track areas for community track are down here just off the exhibit floor. And then if you have a creator ticket, like I've got up here, then those are up on the second floor of the convention center. And then industry, they hide themselves away in the ivory tower up on the third floor. Well, fellow explorers, if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of my other videos. You'll find links here on the screen or in the description below. And as usual, I won't say goodbye, because I'm going to see you in the next video.